Hi everyone. Now today we are going to learn about, now according to your English paper, you will get kind of a question to describe a graph or to describe the charts or describe diagrams, right? So for that, we are first going to identify how to describe these type of things. After that, I will give you some sort of questions where you can do it alone, right? So I will explain by taking one example, right? Now we'll try to get the meaning from this. Now, can you see here? They have given you a bar chart, right? Now, first thing is, Pute, when you get a question like that, what you have to do, you have to study this bar chart. Now, according to this bar chart, what are the things that you have to understand and what are the things you have to study? The horizontal axis and the vertical axis, and what is the largest bar or the highest bar and what is the smallest bar. Like those type of information you have to study, right? එතකොට පුතේ මේ වගේ වලට තීර ප්‍රස්ථාරයක් දීලා ඒ තීර ප්‍රස්ථාරයට අනුව විස්තර ලියන්න කිව්වොත් මුලින්ම මේ තීර ප්‍රස්ථාරයට අදාළව X අක්ෂය සහ Y අක්ෂය ඒ වගේම වැඩිම ළමුන් සංඛ්‍යාවක් කැමති විෂය අඩුම ළමුන් සංඛ්‍යාවක් කැමති විෂය මෙන්න මේ කියන තීර ප්‍රස්ථාරයට අදාළව ඒ කොටස් ටික මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? එතකොට එහෙම කරලා දැන් ඔන්න අපි බලමු මේ දීලා තියෙන description එකේ කියන විස්තරය. This bar graph shows some favorite subjects of grade 11 students and then you have to mention the school name. Imagine if you get a pie chart, so same setup you have to take. This pie chart shows, or if it is a Venn diagram, this Venn diagram shows. So similar way you have to write it, right? දැන් ඔය විදිහට bar chart එකකටත් Venn diagram එකකටත් pie chart එකටත් එකම විදිහට තමයි අපි මේ පළවෙනි sentence එක ලියන්නේ. So according to this bar graph shows some favorite subjects of grade 11 students, right? Then the next thing is you have to describe your horizontal axis and then the vertical axis. That is the next step, right? So then the next step is you have to explain that, right? So that is what I'm going to do. So according to this horizontal axis and the vertical axis, you have to say the horizontal axis shows the favorite subjects of the students. The vertical axis shows the total number of students, right? According to this, right? Now the vertical axis shows the total number of students. Here the total, this is the vertical axis, and the horizontal axis shows the favorite subjects. Now what we have written, the first one, you have to explain this bar graph shows and you have to give the explanation. Then you have to say the horizontal axis shows the favorite subjects of the students and then the vertical axis shows total number of the students. Then after that you have to say now the next one, this one only they are talking about. The most popular subject is history. The most popular subject is history and 15 students like it. වැඩිම කැමති විෂය ඉතිහාසය සහ 15 දෙනෙක් මේ විෂයට කැමති. See, you can get it from here. The majority of the students like history, it is 15. Or you can say it in another way. Either if you want, you can say the majority of the students like history and it is 15. Then they are talking about the least one. That means about this mathematics, right? The least popular subject is mathematics and only 2 students like it. Or you can say the minority of the students like English, comma, it is 6. Right? According to this, it should be, it is 2. right? ඔන්න ඔය විදිහට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් මේ වෙනකන් අපි මොනවද ලිව්වේ? පළවෙනියටම අපි කිව්වා this bar graph shows කියලා. අපි මොකක්ද මේකෙන් පෙන්නන එක කිව්වා. ඊළඟට අපේ x අක්ෂය සහ y අක්ෂයෙන් නිරූපණය කරන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා අපි පැහැදිලි කළා. ඊළඟට වැඩියෙන්ම තියෙන විෂය සහ වැඩියෙන්ම කැමති විෂය සහ අඩුවෙන්ම කැමති විෂය ගැන අපි කිව්වා. Then an equal number of students like religion and Sinhala. Now see, when you see these two, you can see Sinhala and religion, they both like religion respectively. එතකොට පුතේ මෙතන meaning එක respectively කියන්නේ මුලින්ම ලියලා තියෙන්නේ religion ඊළඟට Sinhala. ඔන්න ඔය order එකට තමයි දීලා තියෙන්නේ. A few number of students like mathematics. පොඩ්ඩ දෙනයි කැමති ගණන් වලට. Right. Now by looking at this, now you can get an idea how the way of writing, by looking at the bar chart, how to write a description. Right. Now we have written a description for a bar chart. Right. Now we'll go to the next part. Now these are some of the words where you can use it. Remember that the pie chart or the bar graph, the line graph is about, or you can say the pie chart or bar graph or the line graph shows, the bar chart deals with, then you can mention the x-axis and the y-axis, then the number, whether the majority of the students like this, the minority of the students like this, like that way you can explain, right? So we'll get another example. From there, we'll try to do it, right? Okay. Okay, we'll get kind of an example. With that, we'll try to do it. Right. Now, when we are going to do this, we need the bar chart. So due to that, I'll make it a little bit smaller. Then you can look at the bar chart and do it. Right. Now, we'll try to do it. Now, I'm going to do it. So just you can get an idea. The following bar graph shows the favorite pets of grade 9 students of Sri Seelananda Madhya Mahavidyalaya. Fill in the blanks to complete the given description. Right. Okay. Now we are going to do it. Okay. Look. The above bar graph shows the, now what they shows, right? Now here what you have to do, the above bar graph shows the favorite pets, right? Favorite pets of grade 9 students of Sri Seelananda Madhya Mahavidyalaya. Now this is a bar chart, so therefore you have to say the bar chart shows, or bar graph shows, right? The bar graph shows the favorite pets of the students, right? The blank shows the total number of students. That means the blank shows the total number of students, or you can say, what is the meaning of? The blank shows the total number of students. Maybe this is our y-axis. So when you take it, that is your vertical axis, right? Vertical axis shows the total number of students. 10 students like, now according to this, 10 students, they like dog, and cat is the favorite pet of, and cat is the favorite pet of, it is the favorite pet of 8 students. According to the bar chart, you can get the blank popular pet is fish. The most, then fish එකනේ වැඩිම කැමති. The most popular pet is fish. 15 students like this pet. like this pet. Then අඩුවෙන්ම කැමති parrot. The least popular pet is parrot, and only six students like it. Two students like cats. Then 2 students, I will just erase, otherwise I'm not in a position to see the next part here, right? We'll see 2 students like cats than parrots. We'll see, yes, 2 students like carrots more than parrots. So therefore here 2, I will write it here. 2 students like cats more than parrots, but less than dogs. Less than dogs, right? So that is how you have to complete this, right? So you have to go through the 2 examples, what we have done, and according to that, you have to get the clear picture, right? Thank you.